Anduro Manufacturing is one of the world's largest manufacturers of polywoven packaging, with the capacity to produce more than 100 million polywoven bags annually, including one of the world's largest capacities for the production of increasingly popular polywoven pinch bags. Our mission is to manufacture superior quality, custom-made polywoven packaging delivered with unequaled speed and supported by technology and tools that provide our customers real-time access to order status and inventory. Anduro is headquartered in Atlanta, and our manufacturing facility is strategically located in a free zone in Honduras, a CAFTA Treaty member nation. We ship our world-class packaging from the Port of Cortez, the largest and most sophisticated port in Central America, duty-free to the U.S. and other CAFTA-compliant countries. We also serve customers in Mexico, Central and South America, and Canada. We are regularly audited by our customers and accredited third parties and conduct our operations in accordance with HACCP and GFSI regulations. We are members of SEDEX, the renowned international organization on corporate responsibility and ethical behavior. Our workforce is fully bilingual, and English classes are one of the benefits afforded Anduro employees. Our team works closely with our clients, providing expertise, updates, and feedback from purchase order through final delivery. Our product is designated a Class 5 recyclable and has a lower carbon footprint than paper, better packaging, and a better outcome for our environment. No natural resources are used to make our products, only petroleum byproducts. All raw materials are thoroughly inspected to ensure they meet our stringent specifications. We are committed to developing products that have a minimal impact on the environment, and we are continuously evaluating new materials that can contribute to that effort. For all these reasons and more, Anduro has become a primary supplier to major brands, accommodating the world's most demanding producers like Nestlé Purina Pet Care, the largest U.S. buyer of BOPP bags, of BOP bags. What has made Anduro a global leader in the production of polywoven packaging? It all starts with our production staff, a team of experienced manufacturing workers ensuring an efficient operation and consistent world-class quality. Anduro is a global leader in terms of capacity and one of the largest producers of pinch bags in the world. We are a proven innovator, and we produce our own fabric, giving us unmatched flexibility and quality control. Our in-house graphics department offers comprehensive design and execution, and we produce high-quality printed film using state-of-the-art 10-color presses with digital color control. We do all this with industry-leading technology and award-winning support.
Anduro!